extra tight because my hands couldn't reach. So hug like that. My mistake. There's a feminine napkin right there. Oh, here's a one-armer. Hug it like this. You can hug it like this too. You could even just hold on. I love you so much. You're doing such a good job. Thank you for existing. Oh, wow. And then you can hang hug like this. Or you can wrap around like that. Or you can just be held by the tree. Which you can even hug logs. They let you lay down on them and it just absorbs all of your tears. I never neglect the little babies. Or sometimes I like to go boop to them. Boop, 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 boop. I highly suggest log.